So GPT-4, is it doing abduction to the extent where it would replace developers?
Oh, okay. Let's talk about the philosophical part and then the pragmatic part of it. Philosophical pet is, from all I can tell from the outside, no transformer-based large language model is doing abductive reasoning. Just not happening. But let's talk about now things like Copilot and the like. Um, I think of Copilot like having a pair programmer with a relatively green, naive developer who's read a lot of books but not lived in the world much. So they oftentimes throw out really interesting, useful things like, well, I never heard of that because they've read a lot more than I have. But they also spout bullshit. They are bullshit generators. And therefore they are useful insofar as as the programmer working with them, have the ability to discern between the two. There is a paper, which I don't have at my disposal right now, that points out that one of the findings of Copilot is that it actually generates far more security leaks
Yeah.
than a human would. So you have to be careful about these kinds of things. So I think of it as it's faster than going to Stack Overflow.
Yeah.
That's what it does for me right now.
Great.
Is it
Great.
going to get better? I think here's the path that I think will be useful for us, and then I'll shut up. Again, I'm an architect, and most of us in the real world don't deal with greenfield systems. They're the most fun. They get a lot of the press. But reality is, every time I write a line of code, it becomes legacy. And most of the time, I'm working in the context of legacy. I'd really like to have an agent that can absorb the entire code base I'm working on. And if I ask it questions like, if I jiggle this, what happens? And AI could do that. That's the trajectory I see that going on. It would be very useful. And by the way, they're not going to take over the world. They're just going to understand my code base.
Do